In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new watch list in TradingView. Whether you're tracking stocks, cryptocurrencies, or any other asset, having an organized watch list is essential for quick access and efficient analysis. Let's walk through this process together and get your finances in shape. First, you'll want to start by opening the watch list panel. This is a simple, yet crucial step. Look to the right side of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. There, you'll see an icon that resembles a watch list. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the panel where all your watch lists reside and allows you to view and manage them at any time. Next, it's time to create a new list. In the panel, locate the drop-down arrow situated next to the name of your current watch list. Click on this V drop-down to bring up a menu, and from here, select the option that says Create New List. A small window will appear prompting you to enter a name for your watch list. Be sure to choose a name that accurately reflects the content or purpose of the list for easy identification later. Once you've typed in the name, press OK to create your new watch list. Now, let's populate your list with symbols. With your new list open, look towards the top of the panel, and you'll see a plus icon. Clicking on this will allow you to search for different assets, whether by their ticker symbol or the full name, such as AAPL for Apple or BTCUSD for Bitcoin to USD. Once you find the asset you're interested in, simply click it to add to your watch list. It's that easy, and you'll soon have a list full of the assets that matter most to you. Organizing these symbols into sections can make a world of difference. Simply right-click on any symbol within your watch list and choose Add Section from the available options. This allows you to group related assets together, perhaps creating sections like stocks, cryptocurrencies, or whatever fits your needs. You can double-click on the headers of these sections to rename them, ensuring they're labeled clearly. Reordering and highlighting symbols is just as straightforward. If you wish to reorder, simply click a symbol and drag it to your preferred position. Additionally, to signify importance or categorize further, you can click the flag icon next to a symbol. This allows you to color code and highlight those symbols based on priority or any other criteria you might have. Finally, it's worth mentioning that all your changes are saved automatically. They will also sync across any devices that you're logged into with your TradingView account. This ensures that whether you're on a laptop, at work, or your phone on the go, your curated watch lists are always up to date and at your fingertips. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and organized a new watch list in TradingView. Now, you can keep all your financial assets within easy reach, allowing for smart and efficient analysis at any moment. Thanks for tuning in,